To unload the PowerPro XT stretcher, first press and hold the red release lever at the foot end of the power load system to disengage the stretcher from the patient compartment. Next, grasp the stretcher frame at the foot end and guide the stretcher out of the patient compartment until the head end LED indicators turn solid green. As the stretcher is removed, the lifting arms will slightly raise the stretcher to accommodate patient weight and prevent the wheels from interfering with the rear sill plate. Allowing the lifting arms to lift the stretcher before further advancing the stretcher out of the vehicle will reduce the force required to move the stretcher. If the lifting arms do not raise the stretcher, be prepared to support the stretcher by the foot end push-pull bar as it comes out of the vehicle. Without support, whilst it will not collapse, the stretcher may descend quickly by approximately 20 centimetres. Next, press and hold the plus button on the stretcher until the stretcher undercarriage is fully extended with the wheels on the ground. The operator may release the plus button once the stretcher is no longer supported by the power load lifting arms. The lifting arms will continue moving until they have lowered completely. There are two ways to release the stretcher from the trolley. The foot end operator can press the third small red button on one of the stretcher controls and guide the stretcher out. Or the side operator can disengage one of the red manual stretcher release handles on top of the trolley as both of the operators guide the stretcher out. While the stretcher is rated to lift patient weights of up to 318 kilograms, it's still important to take into consideration when unloading. Greater patient weights can sometimes cause a misalignment when extending the stretcher wheels during unloading. This can make it difficult to unlock the stretcher from the power load head and can also cause the stretcher to drop slightly during unloading. In order to prevent this, you'll need to ensure that the head end wheels are accepting the weight of the stretcher evenly. To do this, once the wheels have extended fully, press the plus button once more to ensure the wheels are accepting the stretcher weight evenly. You can now continue with unloading as normal. To secure the ambulance, raise the lifting arms and guide the trolley into the patient compartment until it no longer interferes with the ambulance doors. Note, if transporting the ambulance without a stretcher, move the trolley all the way to the head end and lower the arms to lock it into place. To again remove the trolley into the loading position, one operator presses the manual trolley release at the head end, while the second operator lifts the lifting arms and moves the trolley.